We have begun with the chapter tenses and we have started off with the present tense. Today's lesson deals with the present continuous tense. So when is it that we use the present continuous tense? Children, you learned in the previous class that the simple present tense is used to talk about an action that happens regularly, habitually, or it displays a universal truth amongst other things. But the present continuous tense, children, is used in order to talk about actions that are going on in the present, right at this moment. So the present continuous tenses can be used in three ways. Number one is, it is used to express an action that is taking place at the time of speaking. I am driving to my office right now. This is something that I am doing at the moment. I am reading a book. You are listening to me. I am teaching you. So in all these sentences, you will notice that the action is taking place at the present moment. When such a thing happens, then the present continuous tense may be used. Also, sometimes what happens is an action may take place at the present time, but it may not be happening while we are speaking. Like, my mother is learning to use the computer nowadays. In such a case, mother is learning to use the computer for many days now. So, maybe right now she may not be learning to use the computer. Maybe, she may be studying, or she may be watching TV, or she may be working. But she has been learning the computer every day for the past few days, and she may continue to do that. So my mother is learning. They are constructing an office building here. So maybe it's night time or early morning. Maybe there is no one in the construction site. Maybe it's a holiday. But that construction has been going on for a few days and will go on for a few more days. And it is coming up. They are working on it. So they are constructing an office building here. Thirdly, when people make plans or arrangements for the near future, for like after a few days or weeks or months or hours, then also we use the present continuous tense. We are going to my grandmother's house during the vacations. What are we doing? We are going. When? During our vacations. It may be 2 or 3 months away, but we have already decided to go. So we are going to my grandmother's house during the vacations. Similarly, there is a boy whose home is quite far. So today is Tuesday and he may be going on Saturday to his home. So in that case also, the boy is going to his home this Saturday. Now children, you need to remember that there are certain rules that we need to follow when we are making sentences into the present continuous tense. There are 3 types, alright? When we are changing them into positive statements or negative statements or questions. For example, under positive statements, we have the singular nouns he, she, and it. Alright? So to these singular nouns, we can add, of course, a person's name too. So to all of these, we can add an is plus a verb plus an ing. But when it comes to the singular noun I, then we do not write is. We write am plus a verb, that is an action word, plus an ing. Similarly, when we have plural nouns, we, you, or they, then to them we add are plus a verb plus ing. The next slide will make it more clearer. He plus is plus dance plus ing. he is dancing. She plus is plus dance plus ing, she is dancing. It plus is plus dance plus ing equals to it is dancing. Or we may have a name Meena plus is plus dance plus ing, Meena is dancing. I plus am plus sing plus ing, I am singing. Now in the third part, we plus are plus eat plus ing, we are eating. Similarly, you plus are plus eat plus ing, you are eating. They plus are plus eat plus ing, they are eating. Number 2, questions. When we have question words, alright, when we have sentences that ask a question, then we use is, am or are at the beginning. To that, we add a noun or a pronoun. To that, we add an action word plus an ing plus a question mark at the end, like so. Is plus Tom plus dance plus ing plus question mark. Is Tom dancing? Are plus they plus dance plus ing plus question mark. Are they dancing? Am plus I plus dance plus ing plus question mark. Am I dancing? Thirdly, for negative statements or negative sentences, we put the noun or the pronoun in the beginning. To that, we add an is or an am or an are, as the case may be. To that, we add a negative word here, not. Then the doing word, the verb, plus an ing, like so. Tom plus is plus not plus dance plus ing. Tom is not dancing. I plus am plus not plus dance plus ing. I am not dancing. We plus are plus not plus dance plus ing. We are not dancing. So with that, we have come to the end of the present continuous tense. Please go through this chapter as well as the one in your textbooks, and you can get back to me if you have any doubts. Thank you.